So yeah, I used Cleanhouse Melbourne once back then in January. It was the first time I used them, and I was happy. I'm very happy with their service, with their professionality, and their how they did their job. That's why I'm using them second time.
Is that for a move-out cleaning?
Yeah, for move-out cleaning.
What do you like about their service?
Well, I like how they do their job, and then when they need something, yeah, they just gonna say that they did this and this and this, and I'm very happy with the results. So,
Beautiful.
yeah.
And how was the communication?
The communication was pretty well. I really like that.
Good. Would you recommend them?
Yeah, I actually recommend them.
Beautiful. Thank you.